Here's a question. It says, how many real numbers are solutions for x squared minus 5x plus 7 equals 0? Well, it's x squared. So first of all, no, there cannot be 3 or more than 3 solutions. It's either 0, 1, or 2 real solutions. Now, it's either 0, 1, or 2 solutions, and it could be real solutions. There's a formula. If this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, and this one is a is equal to 1, b is equal to -5, c is equal to 7. If it's in that form, then I can use the quadratic formula. It's -b to find the solutions, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Sometimes these solutions will be called zeros all over 2a. And so that's called the quadratic formula. You can use it to find the solutions. I'll also show how to graph this in a second. Now, this part inside the square root is called the discriminant because it lets you discriminate, tell things apart. B squared minus 4ac. If that is equal to 0, there is one real solution. If it is greater than 0, there are 2 real solutions. And by the way, if it's a perfect square, like 4, 16, 25, 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. Those are perfect squares. If it's a perfect square, then the real solutions are rational. But if it's not a perfect square, then those are irrational. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as one integer divided by another. And then if it's less than 0, if that discriminant is less than 0, there are no real solutions. The solutions in that case are called complex with non-zero imaginary components, and they are neither rational nor irrational. So sometimes they might ask you that. If its discriminant is less than 0, they're not rational or irrational. So let me check out what the discriminant is. B squared, -5 squared, minus 4 times a times c. Notice I put that -5 in parentheses, because if I write -5 squared, that means square 5 and then multiply by -1. But I want to square -5, so I put the -5 in parentheses. So -5, oh, and I'm supposed to be putting the numbers in, aren't I? Not just 4ac. Come on, get with it here, pal. Minus 4 times a is 1, and c is 7. -5 squared is 25. Negative times a negative is a positive. Minus 4 times 7 is 28. And that equals -3. And that is less than 0. There are no real solutions. The answer is A, none.